left my heart beating so. I just
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our ravishing celebrant in her 60, Ma'am Hilda Espejo Ducusin. Palakpak! At this point, may I humbly ask the presence of Mr. Eduardo Ducusin, our celebrant's better half, to come and join Ma'am Hilda at the center stage to light up the mother candle, which is being handled by our celebrant.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if you
And with that,
love
candle ladies, itaas pa po natin ang ating mga kandila. This is now to light and a sign of our well wishes and good luck to our birthday celebrant. Ma'am Hilda, whenever you are ready, this is now the moment for you to blow your mother candle for the celebration of your 60th birthday. Sabay-sabay niyo po akong para magbilang in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, for a well wishes and a congratulations at 60 in 3, 2, and 1. Do the honors, Ma'am Hilda. A loud round of applause once again to our birthday celebrant. Come on! So we